So this chicken has recently attacked my daughter, my son, and my wife, and so we gotta get rid of him. Chicken's been making noises. This one right here been attacking my kids and my wife, so he gotta go. We ain't gonna get rid of him like the other ones we gave away that my wife didn't want to take out. She alright with this one going, so been looking up stuff. It's called a broomstick method. We're gonna try to do it today. If it go wrong, of course I ain't gonna post this video, but here we go. The idea, and I ain't too easy about this, but the idea is to put the broomstick behind his head, press down on it with my feet, and then pull up to separate the neck bones from the rest of the vertebrae to take them out. They say when it's done, he's supposed to flap around like 30 seconds, but he technically did, and it's the nerves going. Like I said, I ain't easy about it, but here we go. You in there, bro? They still working.
Uh-huh.
Tomorrow trying to break everybody over the sea. Who is here there? Put the broom right here behind his neck. Gonna step on it. There you go. I'm really hoping he's done and it's just the 30 seconds they talking about, because I can't take it to be still alive. You want to get the head trimmers?
The head shrimp.
Yeah, just in case.
Tamara, tell your brother to get them big, tell your brother to come here. Tell Christopher to come here.
I'm really hoping I did this right. It's gonna hurt me if it didn't.
I understand. Get the big hedge trimmers. Them hedge trimmers. Did I cut the weed? Yeah. You need the bucket over there so you pour it in there?
You could have cut it in there. You did. What bucket? Was that
I was
a
about
noise?
to
Was that a
feel there.
noise?
He ain't making no noise. I think he's gone.
I think it gone. I'm gonna give another tug. I just want to be sure, man. I don't, I don't want him to come up. Whew. That's the moment of truth.
I think he's done it.
Okay. And you can see the way his head flapping around. We did separate that vertebrae. He is gone. I guess he done flapping for them 30 seconds while I had him down there. Yeah, it's done.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll post another video about defeathering and everything, but yeah, he is dispatched. Okay. His name was Pepper. He was nice. He was a leader at one point. Then the other two males grew up and they started bullying him. We got rid of them. Then he started trying to bully the humans, and you can't have that around.
Yeah.
So that's what it is. I keep trying to make sure.
With the broomstick. Put that in trash. Y'all feel bad.